Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you see this app is not compatible with your device, so how you can also fix this problem. So for fixing this problem you need to have another device. So it could be iPhone or iPad or iPod, so but with highest version of iOS, so which is compatible with this app. So after, you just need to go to App Store, just go to updates, just open purchase, and here you will see not on this iPhone, and here you will see apps that you just download and install on another device. So now just tap here on this cloud button, and you will see message if you want to install the latest compatible version of this app on your iPhone, and it will successfully download and install the latest compatible version of this app on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.